What is going on, guys? This is Riyad here again with a quick tutorial on auto spawn system. Alright, so first you're gonna access the client create event and you're gonna add some variables for spawning. So first of all, you're gonna have a boolean, so auto respawn. Well, for now, gonna leave it as true. Okay, and okay, spawn time, and let's say 2 seconds, and finally I think that's all. Yeah, so what we're going to do here is we're gonna check the networking event, and we're going to see where's the player state. Yeah, it's here. So this should be I'm alive will be false. So we're going to say here if I'm alive equals false, or you can say if not I'm alive. So in this case we're going to set an alarm if auto respawn is true. Okay, and the alarm should be 3 for auto respawn. Okay, this is gonna be room speed times spawn time, I guess. Yep. So, and in the alarm 3, well, let's add an alarm 3. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is just you know, create a player. So we're gonna grab the code from here. Okay, alright, so that's basically it, I think. And we also need to make sure that the auto spawn system um, wait, so if the auto spawn system is on, then in this case we will not you know, use those as spawning. Wait, actually um, wait, we'll need one variable. So you're gonna have first spawn equals true. So we will let the user spawn just for the first time, okay? Because especially in the team match, so he needs to press a button to choose his team. So we're gonna say if not auto respawn and not first time. Okay, so in this case first spawn equals false. Okay, oh, this should be first time. Okay, and we can do the same thing here and here. Okay, so now I'm going to create a game. Okay. Oops, it seems like it's not working. Wait a little bit. This is true. Oh, yep. Problem is here. so you're gonna this should be 4. Okay. So now I have a player, and I will go to this monster so you can get. Oops. Oh, well, we need to wait. Okay. So now after 2 seconds we should, yep, so now we'll keep respawning automatically when we die. Okay, so, and that's pretty cool, so we don't need to press, you know, the buttons every time we want to create a player, okay. Yep. And one thing to do is go to the display script. Here what you're gonna say if not I'm alive, okay, so you're gonna say if auto respawn, so if the auto respawn is true, then we're going to draw text. Well, we need to change the line to the center. Okay. I'm gonna say respawn it. Else you're gonna say if server type equals survive. In this case the player will press R to spawn a player, and if it's team deathmatch we're going to tell him press whether R or B, okay. So here you're gonna say press R to respawn. Here you're gonna say press R to join red team, or press B to join blue team, okay. And wait a little bit. I think it's gonna be cool if we change the colors. I'm gonna say here draw set color, let's say lime. Of course we need to reset the color to white here. And so the wait, this should be here. Okay. Oh, so this is the first time and it's saying respawning, but we need to press R for the first time, okay. Now I'm going to let this monster kill me. Yep. Yeah, so that's cool for now. One more thing, and that's here. So you're gonna say if not alive and not first time. Oops, sorry. Or first spawn, I guess. Yeah, it was first of all. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like this short tutorial. And actually, I'm thinking about changing the way that we send data to the clients, because you know, while making a multiplayer game, you actually need to send the, I mean, send the latest amount of data to do what you want. And for the server, we're actually sending, I mean, well, server, where is it? Yeah, so if we see this script, you can see that we are sending like I don't know how many. Yeah, so this is basically 10 data for each object, so 13 or 10 times objects to grow, and that's only in one step. So this code will be executed 60 or 30 times on the second, so that's pretty, I mean, so keep in mind that you need to send little data to do what you want. So I was making another way to display the objects rather than sending the each object's data to the client and then store them in DSList. I made this wait, yes, this object or project that use the remote objects. So remote objects are actually nothing but so you see when the I've made another script here, which is client receive data. Okay, and what it does, basically this script will receive data from the server. So remember that when we spawn a player on the server, okay, when we spawn a player on the server, we're going to create a remote object on the client. So this script will use spawn as an ID, so the client will receive this piece of code, and what he will do, he will create a remote player. Okay, and when we create a remote player, he will not move, of course, but so you know that if we want to move our player, we're sending data to the server, right, using this ID key, and the server itself will send the same data that he got to every other client to move the remote player that we have created. So don't worry if you didn't understand anything here, because I will explain everything in the coming tutorials. So that's basically what we are doing. So as you can see here in this project, I have well, if you go back to this server, where is it, server, the step event. So I have deleted this script, right? So we will not use that. And what will you see in the game is those objects, remote player. So the client will not actually use the DSList to draw the players, because it have objects on the game that he can see. Let me just show you what I was talking about. So when we create a game, if I press R, oops, what's that? Owner ID. Seriously? Line 85. Client received data. Oh wait. Oh, wait a little bit. It should be, oh no, no, no. Seriously, what's that? Interesting. Well, I'm going to fix this later, but well, I don't know if I have. Oh yeah, so this is the game. I think this one is working just fine. And I'm going to spawn a player, and yeah. So as you can see, I have a player here, and we're not using the DLCs to draw him. We're actually sending the keys for the remote player to move. Okay, and these are the monsters. You can hear them shooting the bullet. That's because the monster is not really in this position. We're not updating his position, so that's why we can see him just here. So yeah, so don't worry about this guy. So we're going to talk down about them in the comic tutorials. I don't know where exactly, but yeah. So this was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.